The Minister of Culture for the self-proclaimed Luhansk People's Republic has lashed out at a Ukrainian writer for making fun of her. Insurgent-appointed Cultural Minister Irina Filatova, whose scantily clad photographs went viral across the Russian and Ukrainian-speaking web, said Ukrainian writer Irina Karpa had caused her mental suffering. Karpa released a short cartoon portraying Filatova as an uneducated, beauty-obsessed opportunist who joined insurgents for a slice of fame. Filatova filed a lawsuit with the self-proclaimed insurgent authorities and called for Karpa to be shot. It was the latest in a series of cartoons skewering insurgents and the Russian government. Karpa, who is originally from Cherkasy, wrote the mocking story in Surzhyk, a language that borrows from both Ukrainian and Russian, and is sometimes spoken in Ukrainian villages.